Hey everybody, it's Jeff, Angeles City, Philippines. Saturday morning around 11:30-ish. It stopped raining, so it had been raining the last few days, and so we'll take a walk through here and see what they've accomplished. Well, today and the last few days. I did some videos the last few days, so let's take a look at So they're continuing to plaster and skim coat, and they started to dig out the septic tank. So the septic tank will go right there. Again, they're squaring the windows in preparation for, or they're prepping the window sills in preparation for the windows. So we're over the site on a Friday, Valentine's Day, and it has been raining pretty much all day. So the workers are trying to work around the raindrops. So not a whole lot going on here. I'll let you take a look. It's the master bedroom, walk-in closet, the bathroom. Kuya is in here under cover and plastering. So I think the electrician is all done in here. Well, almost done. You got to run his conduits for the boxes. Daughter's bedroom. The electrician is done putting the boxes, but he didn't put the conduit in. Whoop! Kuya's under there. The electrician is chipping out using the old-fashioned way, the nail and hammer. Very tedious work. Skim coat, not too much because of the ulan, the rain. You can see they chipped the wall out for the piping for the aircon. Piping up there for the aircon above the canopy. And then that unit will sit on top of the canopy, and then that one over there will sit above the window, the compressor.
Ang iyon naman po ng mga tao sa labas. Ang dami nila. Huwag kang mag-alala, Maki. Hanggat nandito kayo sa loob ng bahay namin, hindi kayo mapapano.
Dalang sa ba tayo doon, Fernando?
I got a new skilled labor. He is plastering the wall in the bathroom around the receptacles, the outlets, and then this is where the toilet is going to be, but it's a little close to the wall, so I talked to the builder and he said he can move it away there for us big foreigners so we're not scrunched up against the wall when we're sitting on the toilet. Kuya here is continuing to plaster the wall in the master bedroom. You can see that string again from the previous vlogs on how they keep the area that they're working on square and straight. And there's Kuya Edwin. He's going to a luau down in Boracay. Diba? My daughter's room. And her bathroom or CR. Kuya is plastering the walls in there now. They got the all the receptacles in, or the outlets in here, and there's the connection for the internet and TV. Opening for the aircon. And then again, so these cables for this will go up into the ceiling, and then the outlets are going to go down, and as I mentioned before, through a piece of conduit on the floor, and then they'll put the dry packing over that and tile over top of it. Here's the spare bedroom, and the electrician just ran the conduit for the internet and TV up, and that'll go through the ceiling, and the outlets here, like I said, will go down and run across the floor. But the electrician finally, instead of using the little hammer and nail tool, he finally got a I don't know what that's called, a hammer jack, I guess. Jackhammer, a little small jackhammer, and that's what he's chipping the wall out with, which is much more efficient than the hammer and nail. So the spare bedroom looks like they got the roughs in for the electric. They continue to plaster and skim coat up here. And then Kuya is working on plastering the walk-in closet for the spare bedroom. Kuya there is sifting, making the fine sand for the plaster. Plaster right here. So this, I don't know what this is called, but this is what they will use to, they'll put up on the ceiling, and they'll use that to mount the drywall on the ceiling. And Kuya is making a workbench. And the cistern is still, slowly the water is being drained out of there. So they continue to dig out the septic, which unfortunately is where the big mango tree was, and there's still quite a bit of root system in there, making it a little bit more difficult to dig out, but they're slowly digging it out, and they had to put a little cover over top of it because of the rain. Last couple of days we've been getting quite a bit of rain. Not heavy rain, but steady rain. If they skim coating the outside, and they move their sifting apparatus from here over to there so they could dig out the septic. So slow progress this week again. Went 2 days ago and picked out all of the tiles for the house. So I think that's all locked in. We're just having the builder and the architect double check the amounts and the numbers to make sure that it's all good and there's no issues with that. So this will wrap it up for this week's vlog, or this vlog. Again, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put them in the comments section. If you like this type of content, go ahead and hit subscribe. You will be reminded when there's a new vlog out. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Hope to see you all next time. Take care.